Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss economics of class 10th, and the chapter which we are going to discuss is the first chapter. And if you are having any doubt in any chapter, any subject, you may ask me through comments. I will solve all the doubts for you. And today we are going to discuss the first chapter. So please understand it. You will be easily able to understand. I'm sure, I'm damn sure. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel. So let's start. हम जो ये चैप्टर है इसको रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज इट through income and other goals. From this topic, we are going to, revise, because back to this topic, simple things are given in which you are able to understand, I think, so easily. So let's start revising this chapter. So everything is clear to you, right? So I have set it the phone in a way that you are able to understand each and everything. So it's becoming blur in between. Let me set it again. So now it's clear, right? So let's start revising this. I will read it out and I will explain you also. If you go over table 1.1 and 1.1 table, it's given that different peoples are there, and it's given that all the people, different peoples are having their different developmental goals, aspirations, and progress ways. So if one person is, wanting, and if one person wants something which may be the development goal for that person, but it is not, it's not necessary that only will be the development goal for another also. That development goal of one person may be, it may be destructive for another in many ways, and it may be, hurtful, or many words are there for the person who is not preferring this development goal. Okay, so it is given here, right? And in that table it is explained that different persons are having different developmental goals. So now it's given, you will notice one common thing: what people desire: regular work, better wages, decent price for their crops or other products. And in other words, they want more income. Means what is being said here is that many peoples are there. So all of them, what they need is that they want different jobs. Nobody wants that he or she must be, free sitting. Nobody wants, because if you are not having basic things in your house, such as food, shelter, and that all, clothes, etc., and then also you will want that you must be sit at home. No, you will want that you must get some jobs or opportunities where you can go and earn some wages, that you will definitely, you will want that. Okay, so here it's also written that you will also want a good wages, because a place, the job is same, let it be any job, and one place is giving you 200 rupees, let it be, and the second is giving 400. So obviously you will prefer 400, because it's very common that you will want some greater wages, better wages for the work in which same energy, same strength is needed, and one is there you are getting low wages, and second is where you are getting a good wage. So you will go towards the good wage, right? And next, one thing is also written here, that you will want some, you will prefer some decent prices for your things which are to be sold in the market, right? If you are producing wheat, let it be wheat or any other crop, so you will want that you get some a good price for your wheat, है. So you will want this MSP. It must be not below MSP, right? You all want this. So it's clearly written here only. So next, what is given here? Wait. I was just. So next, what is written here? It is that besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect for others. They resent discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, these may be important more than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with it, it is one factor on which our life depends, but the quality of life also depends on non-material things mentioned above. So up to here I will explain you. Here is written that seeking more income, if we want good wages, decent prices, and all the things, we also want equal treatment. We want that we must be treated equally. Like if you are if you are getting some job anywhere, and same work you are doing, and one employee more is there who is also doing the same work, and that employee is getting 1,000 rupees for that, and you are getting 800, let it be, for that. So you will be not equally treated. So you will be hearted, and you will think what's good in that, in that person, that he is getting more 200 rupees. So equal treatment is very important. Freedom also, it's very important. If you are working somewhere and you are not getting the freedom to drink water, like to to call your family, or you talk with your family on mobile phones and like that. So freedom is also important. Anyway, you will take any example for freedom. Security is also important. If you are working somewhere and there is no job security and no other security, like what is security, how is important. Like if we take example of a woman, especially women security is needed now. So women security, how we will take example, that suppose one woman is working somewhere, and she want that she must be treated equally. Agar wo treat If she is not being treated equally through man, so she will not feel good. She want good wages also. She want freedom also, that if men are doing any work, they are having freedom of any work, but women is not having. So freedom is also important. Women ki, if we look at these points through the view of women, so we will also be able to understand them. So next is security. I was talking about security. So in security, we will take example that a woman is a worker in a factory, and the shift for working is like night shift. So women want some security, na? If woman has to go at 10 o'clock in the night, and she will come at 3 o'clock in the morning, so she wants some security, right? That a taxi must be there for the dropping and picking up of the industrial women who are working there. So security is also important, and respect is also important. If you are working somewhere and somebody is abusing, somebody is using a bad, somebody is using bad words for you, so you will not like to work there. You will prefer that if there is a place where we will get security, even good treatment, equal treatment, freedom, and just respect for us, good words we will get, then we will work there. If there are low wages also, right? So these are important. Then wages also, it's written key discrimination, there must be no discrimination. So all these are important. In some cases, these may be more important than income, right? Money or other materialistic things, like materialistic things and non-materialistic things, what's the difference? Can anybody tell me? May I tell you? Materialistic things are those which you can buy through money, and non-materialistic things such as equal treatment, such as praisings, freedom, everything, respect. These are non-materialistic things which we can't buy through money, right? सो इट्स गिवन दैट मनी और मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स के ऊपर हमारी लाइफ जो है वो डिपेंड कर सकती है, लेकिन मीन्स आर लाइफ मे बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन मनी एंड अदर मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, बट also the quality of life also depends on the non-materialistic things, है ना? If it's not obvious to you, just think of role of your friends. Just think that your friends are with you, and they are taking money from you for doing friendship, how you will feel. Friendship is not materialistic things, and it's very important, right? So you may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to your lives, right? So some things are not measured, right? Friendship, it's given example in the book also, that friendship is very important for us. We desire this, but this is not measured. This can't be measured, but it's having a lot mean to our lives. They are often ignored. These are often ignored. ये ignore भी होती हैं बहुत बार. So however, it will be wrong to conclude that what can't be measured is not important. ये conclude करना बहुत ही गलत होगा. It will be very wrong if you conclude that the things which we can't measure is not important. Friendship का example given है, उसको ही समझ लीजिए. So in this session or in this video, I will only explain this to you up to here only because it's too much big. If you are able to understand this small page, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and next video you may watch for next passage. Thank you.